Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fauzan bin Muhammad Asri, and this is my final year project title, which is the Share Modeling and Implementation of Sharing Recipes on Social Media Platform. My supervisor is Dr. Rashida. So this is the outline of my presentation. Consists of introduction, problem statement, objective, literature review, methodology, conclusion, Gantt chart, and reference. So moving on to introduction. So now we are enrolling in a fast-paced technology advancements, and we can see many services have been developed. So what I want to say here is right now we can see more on food aspect. We can see people share food recipes, share cooking tips, cooking video of step by step cooking on their website, on their social media, or on their blogs or video blogs. And we also can see people share on tips of food that should be eaten to maintain our and to maintain and sustain our growth. So next is the problem statement. So as we know, eating healthy home cooked meals can link to healthy and happy kids, and it also can increase benefits in mental healthness. But however, as we can see today, people have been least to perform this action because they are busy with their works, their commitment, and they are also lack in sources of food recipes. So what to be done here is to develop a database of home cooked food locally and internationally, to socially connect cooks and lovers of home cooked food on a platform, to encourage paperless environment, and to promote healthy generation. So what have been done in the literature review. So what we know is food recipe is a description of food preparation. And right now we have seen many types of method, which is the traditional way is to record it on a book, and then we have seen people publish cookbooks, and the newest thing we have seen is people build a website or application on sharing recipes. So in here we can see the comparison between the existing system and the proposed system. So now we can see uh, which aspect have been owned by the existing system. The existing system that I have taken is the paper-based book recipe, cookbook website, and testing website. And I also have include my proposed website, so we can see the comparison between all of this method. And this here is also the comparison between the method and other and in many more aspects. So moving on to the methodology. So here we can see how the project will flow. We identify and we start to review on existing method, and then we start to construct the website, and then we do evaluation if there any error, and we achieving to the final step, which is to the conclusion. Next slide is about the system development. So the language that will be used is CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. And then the software used is Sublime Text, XAMPP, and PHP Sublime Text is to do the coding. XAMPP and PHP is to connect to the database and to manage our database for the food recipes. Moving on, this is the general function of the project, and these are only a few of it, and probably there will be more later when we are constructing the website. So in conclusions, today we have seen online sharing recipe has become quite a trend, and more people or developers will be developing more and better website or services for user. And all of this we have seen until today. And for my project, and it will be developed and shown the results on FYP2. So this is the Gantt chart of the project, the reference, and this is the references used on my project. And that's all from me. Thank you.